At 4, I'm Barbara Ciara.
And I'm Kurt Williams. Thanks for joining us.
Right now, local leaders are reaching out to Virginia Governor Ralph Northam. They are asking what else can be done to speed up the vaccination process here in Hampton Roads.
They say things really need to ramp up and are worried that we are falling behind compared to the rest of the state. News 3 reporter Brendan Ponton is taking a look at where things stand.
The latest numbers from the Department of Health show more than 370,000 people in Virginia have gotten at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. But is Hampton Roads underperforming?
We are all very concerned regionally that we were one of the last regions to move into 1B.
Some parts of Hampton Roads moved into phase 1B of vaccination today, others will Monday. But that's behind many other parts of the state. Now local leaders from the Hampton Roads Planning District Commission have written this letter to Governor Northam. The group is made up of leaders from 17 local areas. Norfolk City Councilmember Andrea McClellan is the chair.
We decided that we had to write a letter and raise this issue directly to the governor, because while we've been waiting, we can't wait any longer. We've got to get this expedited.
They say the local governments can step in right now and help with many of the vaccination duties themselves, including actually putting shots in arms.
We want to take over more ownership and control over this because it is apparent that the local public health districts are just under-resourced.
They want Governor Northam to help move things along. In addition, emergency legislation in the General Assembly could make it easier for people to become vaccinators.
Maybe we got out of the blocks a little slowly, but this really is more of a marathon than a sprint. And so we have some time to make up for things, but this is the time to make those adjustments right now and course corrections.
The doctor overseeing the vaccine plan for VDH told News 3 earlier this week it is possible for local governments to become vaccinators.
You know, it is possible in the sense that if the city were to become a approved vaccinator site and they were to hire their own vaccination staff and have the oversight.
And now the local leaders are hoping the state gets the message so we don't get left behind.
Listen, this is a matter of life or death. This is the biggest issue facing our cities, our counties, our country.
Governor Northam's office did not respond to our questions looking for a response. His team says vaccine supply is low and will be distributed geographically based on population. In Norfolk, Brendan Ponton, News 3.
More local health districts are moving into the next phase of the COVID-19 vaccination rollout today or into next week. Starting today, though, the Hampton Peninsula Health District will begin vaccinations for those in phase 1.